Burnout is often imaged as collapse. The image most people carry is of someone exhausted on a couch, unable to work, completely shut down. Yet for high achievers, burnout does not begin with collapse. It begins with acceleration. The body is still moving, the projects are still advancing, deadlines are still being hit, the calendar is full. But inside, a silent exhaustion builds, hidden beneath performance and disguised beneath results. This is the paradox of high achiever. The more they accomplish, the more invisible their exhaustion becomes. Energy drains, yet output increases. The nervous system switches into sympathetic dominance, running on adrenaline, cortisol, and hidden survival responses. What looks like success on the surface is in truth an overdrive loop spiraling downward towards collapse. Overdrive feels productive, it feels powerful, it feels necessary. Many who are caught in this loop believe that the only way to keep their edge is to keep accelerating. And the cultural narrative reinforces it: push harder, grind longer, sacrifice more. And the internal narrative: if I slow down, I will fall behind. If I stop, I will lose everything. At the biological level, the overdrive trap is the hijacking of the limbic system. The amygdala translates achievement not as fulfillment, but as survival. Every deadline becomes a threat. Every task incomplete becomes a danger signal. The nervous system floods with stress hormones not because the achiever is weak, but because the nervous system has confused productivity with protection. The confusion is costly. The body was not designed to sustain prolonged sympathetic activation. The vagus nerve contracts, the immune system weakens, the digestive system stalls. Sleep becomes shallow, often interrupted. The mind begins racing with constant unfinished loops. The achiever feels restless even while exhausted, pressured even when ahead, unsatisfied even when successful. This is why burnout in high achievers is so deceptive. It hides beneath accomplishment. Unlike collapse burnout, which is visible and undeniable, high achiever burnout can persist for years while the person appears to be thriving. The trap is not that they are failing. The trap is that they are succeeding in a way that is unsustainable.